can, with confidence, with courage and professionalism, go out and help other ladies. And we're not just left hanging there and unsure and unsupported. You've got everything there for us to be able to change lives, and that's the greatest gift anyone can give, and I love being part of it. Having guilt rule my thoughts and emotions has, I think, really put me in a place of not being confident, but probably more so having an impact on my self-worth. I think they kind of go hand in hand, which affects all other areas of your life, because you're not confident to go out in the world, you're not confident to stand up for yourself, you don't think you're good enough to do things or be someone or have things. Fear of rejection for me would be 9 out of 10. Feeling like I'm not good enough is similar to rejection for me, I suppose. So I'm not good enough to have a successful business. I'm not good enough to really make an impact in people's lives. This is a driver that's prevented me from helping people like I've wanted to for so many years. When I think about guilt, I actually want to have a giggle, because it's like, what guilt? What were you thinking? It's like, it's not a concept anymore. It's like, oh, I know, I almost feel sorry for that person having to go through that, because I know what it's like not to have it anymore, and it's fantastic. So yeah, now it's non-existent. 0 out of 10 for rejection is no. How I see not good enough now is off in the past somewhere. Honestly, not good enough. And when I hear the words, it's almost, I feel sorry for people now who feel like that. It's a strange concept for me to try and think about me in that position anymore, because it's just not existent. I feel now so much full of worth and value, and you know, that's just who I am now. Yeah, it's really good. This course is it's the ultimate. It's not just full of integrity and passion, it's full of professionalism. It gives a clear pathway to be able to help others and guarantee their results. No one else can do that. I cannot imagine another month, another year going through, you know, how I used to feel. And when I think of all the benefits I'm going to get now and the life I'm going to live now, double the price and I'd find the money. Do you know what I mean? It's not even a question.